It's on, tell me on.
Yeah.
On. Hello guys. This is for my YouTube. For my YouTube channel. Yep. Anyway, you know what it is, right? So my audience, they were complaining, so now that's why I'm changing the thing, changing the mic I was using, because I was using Boya Mic, but now I'll be using this one now. No more using bad quality sound. Now I'll be using the real thing, but let's hope it won't disappoint me. Come, let's see. Let's see inside. What do we have inside? Brandon, how do you open this? Okay, guys, let's see. Alright. This is the manual. And what do you call this? A filter, right? Okay, we have a filter here. This is a filter. If this is a filter, then what do you call this?
External filter.
External filter. Okay. Some they call it pop filter or something like that. I don't know, even which I don't know, man. But here the real thing. Come close, let's see the real thing. This is the real thing, fellas. Let's hope it won't disappoint me. Let's hope it won't disappoint me. Let's hope it won't disappoint me. And then this is the USB cord. And then the USB cord. What is this?
On the desk.
Yeah, I think this is for a desk. And then after this, we have this. This is nice, eh? This is lovely, eh? And then here we have the stand. The stand, and then this cable. I don't know for what. But let's go ahead. Let's assemble the whole thing. How do we connect this thing? Let me use the manual. Okay, yeah. This is a pop filter, I was right. This is a pop filter. USB microphone, shock mount. We need to put a shock mount. Damn it. Anyway, guys. Anyway, this is it. We'll do a next video. But for now, sharp.